Hi, I'm Barbara Badalotti, and this pose for the Rest and Rejuvenate segment is a back bend. It's a supported back bend. And the reason why I chose it is because we have this habitual nature being kind of hunched over. One, from the work that we may be doing with our computers and so on, but also just the worry and the strain that sometimes we feel by carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders. This pose or this restorative pose, I want you to practice it for about a minute and see how your body feels. And if it doesn't feel good after a minute, then go ahead and make some adjustments to what would be best for you. There's so many variations because of the length of your body, how flexible you are, any kind of spinal conditions, of course, be mindful of and or to consult your medical practitioner. So basically, you can use a bolster. You could also have blankets instead of a bolster. I love these blankets because they're dense enough, sturdy enough that they hold and support the pose. But also, if you have a blanket that's a little bit too flimsy, it doesn't really support you. So just practice and try some different things with that as well. What you're going to do is you're probably going to keep your knees bent the whole time. And again, you can roll down, or you can start on your side and roll onto the bolster or blanket. So you decide what is best for you in that respect. This bolster is pretty high for me, but it works. So again, you'll have to kind of play with where this height is for you because you do want it to work. Your shoulders and arms are going to be above that stack of blankets or bolster. And of course, you're going to want something to support your neck and head. You don't want the cervical spine to drop all the way back. That's a little bit too far. So once you feel like, okay, I've got my upper back pretty supported, the thoracic spine area. And then if you can have some blankets or a pillow or something that will support your neck and head, go ahead and place those where they're comfortable. And then your arms are going to be pretty much in the crevice of those two supporting blocks or bolsters. Now, of course, if there's any lower back pain or anything like that, you certainly want to roll out by turning to the side and then using the support and strength of your arms to press yourself up into a seated position. So I'll let you kind of play with that, find what feels comfortable for you. I'm going to go ahead and roll back down into it. And then once you feel like, oh yeah, I could stay here a while, this feels pretty good. And then again, you could always put an eye pillow over your eyes and certainly put a blanket over your body to keep yourself warm. Of course, you've turned off your phone or gone into do not disturb, maybe set a timer. And then you're going to do your nice deep breaths. And what I would suggest is after about a minute, your body will start to settle into this. And not only will the front of the spine be able to have the opening that's so necessary, but it's also going to help with the internal organs to allow for a little bit of stimulation and also space, great for digestion. If you'd like in this position, you can also intend to focus on the components or aspects or expansion of the heart center. So the heart is really powerful, and maybe bring into that heart center something that you love or someone that you love or maybe a pet. And as you breathe in and out, feel that heart center expanding. So again, once the physical body can relax into this pose or position, you can even bring more mental awareness and emotion to the power and expansion of the heart, of love, compassion, softening the heart, relaxing the back, and breathing naturally and comfortably.